other week at the Photographic Collectors Club at the Southwest meeting, we had a good range of cameras, and I saw this little Franka. And Franka was a range of German cameras from about 1910. In particular, very popular after the war. They made some 35mm cameras as well, but they're probably best known for the Solida range, of which this is the Solida Jumiour. So this is the most basic, and this is from 1954. As I said, to open the camera, you simply press on the top here and it springs open. To open the back of the camera, we've got these nice doors in which you can put your new film there and spread it over to the empty spool here. You wind it until you get number 1 in the window. It's got this nice opening and close here. We have a focusing lens, so that we will get some quality from that. We have a spring shutter here, so the shutter is very basic. And the aperture, we have 2 apertures. We have 11 and 6.3. I have a feeling that I made a little bit of a mistake when I was using the camera, and it got stuck in the middle. But as I said, 11 and 6.5 there. The shutter, you've either got 75 bulb, which means stay open, or 25. So if I was using it on 25, I would want a tripod. There is a tripod mount on the back here. You do have a shoe there to put a rangefinder or even a meter. Remember, that is not to operate the shutter. We operate the shutter here. We do have a flash connector there. As I said, Franka lens, 6.5, so not the fastest lens in the world, but this, as I said, is a basic camera from 1954. Very much the design of the Franka. I have put a film in. So to use, you would basically, if it was a bit dull, you put it at 6.3. If it was very bright, you would put F11. And I would probably, personally, I would keep it on 75. And then you focus. You have got a little red dot. You've got 2 little red dots. So if it was a group, the red dot near, I'm not sure if it's in meters or feet. It's actually in feet, so this is an export camera. So if it was a group, first red dot. If it was distance, second red dot. Nice straightforward camera, but does it work? I did put a film through. Let's see what happened. To be completely honest, this was a bit of a disaster. First of all, I thought it was the aperture being stuck in the middle, and I actually did a second film and it was just as bad. I suspect there must be some fungus somewhere in the lens, because you can get this very, very sort of hazy effect. I doubt the camera was as bad as this was the best I could get, but even this is using levels on Photoshop. I think the lens is shot. I think it's got lots of haze, or you can't see haze, but it's either haze or fungus, and basically it's just not very good, which can happen with old cameras, and you never know. So thanks for watching. Bit of a disaster today. Bye for now.